Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to find iPhone passcode if forgotten. For example, if you have forgot your iPhone passcode and you do not know what your passcode was, and if you want to find your passcode, or if you want to open your iPhone without remembering the passcode, and if you have not remembered the passcode, then how you can do that? So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, I have to open my iPhone here. So I am going to open my iPhone. So here I will tell you what you can do that. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply try your iPhone passcode again and again, so that you got this kind of screen on your iPhone. iPhone unavailable, try again 1 minute, or iPhone unavailable, try again in 15 minutes. So if you got this kind of option, forgot passcode, then after that you have to simply click on that, and after clicking on that you will ask to enter your previous passcode. And if you enter your previous passcode, then you will ask to set a new passcode, and you will reset your passcode. But if you do not remember even your previous passcode, then what you can do is you can simply try your passcode again and again, so that you will get this kind of option, which is as erase iPhone. So what you can do is you can simply erase your iPhone data, and after that you can simply set up a new data and Apple ID, and after that you can simply open your iPhone. But if you do not remember your iPhone, you will not iPhone passcode, then you cannot get your data. So you have to make sure of that. Moreover, you can also do the same by simply connecting your iPhone to your computer. So in this way, you can simply solve the problem of iPhone forgotten passcode. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.